next few minutes are actions brought on by yourself. So, I told you not to do it, but we must retaliate. This YouTube beat, it makes no sense. So after this, you're going to just delete your whole YouTube. You wanted it? We're going to give it to you. So, take it.
They want it. Gotta give it to them.
Baby, it's some new age. This be on MySpace. Let's get together, baby. We can start a new phase. The smoke had a screen all hazy. Videos can't touch us, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, yo. You just be using technology. Won't say that shit in front of me. Say, hey, yo. You just be using technology. How can I get you on top of me?
You slipped, you tried, your dissing got you fired. Say you slipped, you tried, your dissing got you fired. You slipped, you tried, your dissing got you fired. You slipped, you tried, your dissing got you fired.
Ain't want no waste of time, but you taking mine. I heard you got a video that's just like mine. Tell the truth, it's kinda cute, but I'm gonna shine. Buy two real cute, and that ass is fine. Shout out to YouTube, said 100 pennies. Shorty, I'm paid, I can do Denny's. Rims on the Chevy, then monthly 20s. And hating me, you coming with me. I can take you to my spot, put you on top. Y'all can take turns while the other one watch. We can switch speeds, cause the beat won't stop. Make a sex tape and get that guap. Squash this beef, girl, did it business. Y'all drew blood, so we had to end it. Put Bree on the track, cause I like her singing. I like your smile, I hope you're single. In the video, I disappear. I got news, baby, I'm right here. 09 is all about 3-piece. Showing up, outlaw, renegade, yeah.
Some new age, just be on MySpace. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke had a screen all hazy. Videos can't touch us, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, yo. You just be using technology. Won't say that shit in front of me. Say, hey, yo. You just be using technology. How can I get you on top of me?
You slipped, and you tried, and your dissing got you fired. You slipped, and you tried, and your dissing got you fired. You slipped, and you tried, and your dissing got you fired. You slipped, and you tried, and your dissing got you fired.
Hey, but still ain't scared. You drop on first at the move again. Standing 5'2", with your fist on the cut. I'm trying to make your spine jump in the back of my church. You did a damn thing for the YouTube. You didn't want to touch back, cause I want you in my sheets. Rock your tank tops, wanna look like, oh, wanna push your boy shorts by the trash on the floor. Spin a doghouse, got a got locked out. TikTok shit, I put a pipe in the mouth. My game is that new, my money said, oh, pop star, candle lights that I'm waiting to fold. Try to discard it, had no choice. Hitting high notes, that hurt their voice. That's the bad boy, I had to touch back. Put you and out together, leave me from the back. Said, hey, yo, tired of using technology. Won't say that shit in front of me. Hey, yo, you just be using technology. How can I get you on top of me?
You try, your dissing got you fired. Say you slipped, you try, your dissing got you fired. You slipped,
I usually don't do this YouTube thing.
Got you fired.
But your video got my attention. Hey, you know you my new favorite, baby.
Hey, but they say that flattery is a compliment. So, if we doing something right and y'all imitating us, it's a compliment, right?
It's a compliment, it gotta be.
Like you gotta be like this though.
You can never beat the three. You can never beat the 3-piece, so don't try no more, no. Hey, you wanted another video, we gave it to you, baby.
And we dare y'all try to come back on this.
Go ahead and imitate that one, baby.
I mean, we done after this.
It ain't personal.
It's not personal.
It's strictly business, baby.
You don't exist no more.
Hey, listen, fuck this YouTube beef shit, baby.
Delete.
Fuck this
And your
YouTube beef
YouTube is
shit.
gone.
Hey, let's go back to getting money, baby. We out of here.
Let's finish this game. Let's end it.
Peace.